Have you tried the okra soup before? Which one did you try? Did you like it? What about the oilless one? Have you? If you haven't, please try it for me. And I have prepped my fish here. I'll just put it in the oven, and then I have my jute leaves here. Okay, it is called ademé in the water part of Ghana. Hello, nice to meet you. This is Aram. So this is how I'm going to prep it, and as you can see it on the screen. Okay, so when you get it this way, you just go ahead and remove those flowers and the seed from it. Okay, and I'll show you how I'm going to cut it. Okay, thank you so much for your time. On the other hand, I have my okra here, and you can see it is very fresh. This is how we demonstrate it when we are buying it from the market. Oh my goodness, I've washed it very well, and I'll go ahead and cut it into the shape that I want, or the size that I want. Okay, so I'm going to cut some in a smaller size, and the other ones will be very big. Okay, and I prefer cutting them on my chopping board because it makes it very easier and faster when cutting them. Okay, are you still with me? If yes, have you subscribed? If no, can you please do so for me? It is actually free on YouTube, and also follow me on Facebook at Elizabeth Mommy's Recipes. It is free there as well. Thank you so much. So that is how I cut my jute leaves, and when I feel lazy, this is how I cut them as well. So I eat that part as well, and it is so good. It's just like you cutting your contombre leaves or your koyam leaves. Okay, yes, I have my okra on fire. I'll just go ahead and add my water to it and wait for just a minute, then we proceed. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always sharing my videos, commenting and watching. So after a minute, I will just go ahead and pound it very well, and then we proceed. I'll give it a stir and add my pepper, ginger, garlic and onion. So that is what you are seeing on the screen, and now I can see that it is very thick, so I want it a bit light. Okay, yes, I'll go ahead and add my jute leaves and give it a stir. Thank you so much once again. I appreciate you. Okay, yes, thank you. When this is ready, just add or pair your eba and what them. Now you understand all these things, right? Yes, if only you watched my previous video. Thank you so much. So I've stir it, and I added my seasoning to it. So use any seasoning of your choice, and then added all my protein. I'm just going to wait for the mushrooms to cook very well, then our soup will be ready. After some few minutes, I added some chili and then waited for a while. Now soup is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. I love you.